4 easy ways to update your bathroom on a budget. The first change was the tiles. So I'm using the gray peel and stick tiles, and I'm just laying them here to see approximately how many I'm going to use. There were some tiles that I had to cut. I used a box cutter and it was pretty easy to just snap it into the desired shape. After I peeled and I laid all the tiles, and then I just went over each tile with the tile roller to ensure that they would stick properly to the surface. I also grouted the tiles and it really made a big difference. Next, I wanted to fix the lighting. I loved it. It was rusting, so I just sandpapered it and then I just spray painted it. I freshened up the paint and I kept the same color. And of course, as a Jamaican, I have to work and dance. Yeah. So guys, yes, this is the final product. Tell me how I did as a newbie. And I did change the toilet. So contractor was charging me 5,000. I think I was maybe just a little over 1,000. But I really loved it, guys.